Hello everyone, my name is Nano, and today I'm gonna show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in hard CFOP. Okay, part 1. So let's get started by scrambling the cube. So in this video, I'm going to show you the cross, making the cross. So normally you'll do the cross on top, right? And all that stuff. But instead, if you want to be advanced, you have to do it on the bottom instead, like this. Here's this piece done, and then this piece, and this piece. I got used to it like that, and you can practice a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and solve the cube right now. So if you practice more and more, you'll eventually be good at it. So I have something to tell you, which is that I decided what to do in the 20 subs challenge. Which is doing one finger solve. So I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube with my friend using one finger each. So if, let's say, I just apply it like this, or he uses one finger and I use one finger, and each have to solve the Rubik's Cube together, and it'll be fun actually. So nothing more to say about in this video. So good luck everybody. If you wanna keep up with my new videos, just subscribe. If you wanna like this video, just go ahead. And if you want people to solve the Rubik's Cube too, just share this video. And good luck everybody, and see you in the next video. Bye.